Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio with the NET desktop workload and the correct framework installed. Once confirmed, open the solution file and immediately set the startup project in Solution Explorer so you run the intended app. Make sure NuGet packages restore automatically. If not, trigger restore. Also check configuration, debug versus release, and the target CPU. These initial steps ensure the IDE, framework, and project entry point are aligned before you build. Now build the project. Use clean then build to surface compile errors in the error list. Fix any missing references or type issues. Once build succeeds, you can start debugging. Set breakpoints and use debug right arrow start or press F5 to run. Use step into and step over to trace execution. Make sure app config and connection strings are correct, and set required environment variables in project debug settings. Also validate platform target, x86 versus x64, so native dependencies load properly during runtime. Finally, run the application with F5 to debug or Control plus F5 to run without the debugger. Exercise key workflows and watch the output and immediate windows for logs and exceptions. Use the call stack to locate the source. Once done, create a release build for distribution. If something goes wrong, first confirm correct framework version and package restore, then check file paths and permissions, rebuild the solution, and clear temporary bin/obj folders. These steps resolve most runtime and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.